We're at the new Riverside Landing Park, St. Charles County. I guess they put down some grass seed. There's a little bit of grass growing. There's a beer can in that tree. I wonder if that's intentional. Or some kind of can. Right there. Did they put more dirt on their rocks over here? It's all gonna wash down. Yep. They put gravel on it though. They need some like benches that attach to the ground, I guess, so people could sit on them here. She just means because water will come up past it. I wonder how many RV spots there are. I think they are. I wonder if they have a poop dump station. You think that's what that big building is? That's illegal.
I know.
If they made this like way bigger, they could have had like bands on it or something. But it's
With, like,
tiny.
The band there and like people out there.
If people are sitting on those little concrete edges, I don't know if you'll see them if you're out in the field. I needed a fence right here, but nowhere else. Is it because it's the kiddie pool, Amy? Is that dock just, I guess it's just connected to the ramp. Gonna walk out on their new dock? Test it? It should work for me to plop in my paddleboard. Oh, they have one handle on it. Boom. Do they have a sidewalk over there that doesn't go anywhere? We'll have to look at that. Oh, their concrete's already breaking. The ramp's wide, that's good. But it doesn't have much water. It's not gonna have like any water behind it when the water's low. Hopefully it all goes well. What's this big concrete for? I guess to climb out of your boat, maybe? That's weird. It is a sidewalk that doesn't go anywhere, it looks like. Oh, maybe it's a launch area. This is supposed to be like gravel for your kayaks and stuff. But it's mud. That'd be good. But if they keep dumping it. Let's see how this kayak thing works. You put a code in and get something out. Where do you like pay? Maybe you go to the website and then it gives you the code or something after you pay? They took out this road. You can't get to it this way anymore, it looks like. There's the trailer parking over there that doesn't look big enough for trailers and trucks. All right. They don't have anything on the board yet except something about a ranger. It says complete water services. I don't know. There's no windows. There must be people out there because they're not down here. They don't have numbers on them yet. Look how little their little paths are. Just pull in and then you fit 2 lawn chairs, maybe. No fire area. No picnic tables. Hopefully they're not done. They're gonna do all that in a week. Looks like there's a dead one over there. I want to get a video of the front of the sign. You like that stacked rock? Take a picture of the sign. Everything on the right side of the road is private property. There's no fence. Are they trying to drain everything in the little pond? Is that where the sewer goes, I wonder? The little pond over there. All this can't drain there. Like the whole complex is slanted this way, it looks like. On what? Found it. And the people without RVs don't have a bathroom. The bathroom's way over there.